Hi guys, Al here. Welcome to Hotrods. I'm just going to do this quick video on how I did my window regulators. Dave at Scott Rods and Joe at Bad Hombre Garage, they're both going to be making their own or doing something to get window regulators in their cars. And hopefully this will help them or give them a good idea of how they can do theirs, if they're going with power windows or not. I'm not sure, but hopefully this will help them out, give them some ideas. So what I did here is I went and got power windows out of the front door of Mazda, 2003 Mazda. And this here's the whole system right here. It has the motor, the cables, and a little plate. It's driven by cable. When I got this, it was kind of rounded to match the Mazda door. So all I did was I took two pieces of 2x4 and sat it on there and just pressed it with my hand until I got it straight. I thought the cable was going to go loose when I did that, but it didn't. It stayed tight. And I had to make my own doors, so as I was doing it, I had to set it up for the hinges. So I made these brackets to take the window regulator, and I grabbed the original switch as well. And then from the regulator, this used to bolt right onto the window of the Mazda, these two bolts right here. So I took a set of window regulators out of a spare set that I had for my Chevy too. I cut the arms off. They have the wheels on it. And what that did was I didn't have to have this running perfectly straight with the window. I could have it on a bit of an angle, and the window could still go up and down because this here now runs on the rollers back and forth. So the window will go straight up and down even though this here isn't perfectly straight up and down. And all I did was I took from the Chevy too, the spare stuff, and I bent this piece of tin up. I'm just going to glue the window right into this piece of 18 gauge tin that I bent up. And yeah, it works great. And it's really simple to set it up. So hopefully you get some ideas from this and it helps you out. This silver stuff here is 8.4 mil underlay for laminate flooring. It's basically the same stuff you buy online for sound deadening in a car, except for the stuff you buy online is pre-glued. You just peel it and stick it on. This is actually a little thicker and about 25% of the cost. And I just use 3M Super 77 glue, spray glue, to hold it on. It works great. So guys, I hope this helps you out and saves you some time on making up whatever you have to do. Trying to find original parts are real hard, and trying to find ones that work is even worse. So this is a very cheap alternative. I think I paid $12 for both sets for the pair, both front doors, and the car actually had 4, so I could have taken them all, but my pickup only has 2, so I'm pretty sure it was like $12 for the pair of them. And it was so easy to set up. Okay guys, good luck.